guys, we've got a new designer cookie kit. We've got the unicorn bunny just in time for Easter and spring. And I've got Miller with me, and we are going to teach you how to do the unicorn bunny. First thing you want to do is take everything out of the boxes. So you first want to open up the cookies. Get all your glittery sugars. As you know, we put all our glittery sugars in bowls. For this one, you've got the pink glittery sugar for the ears, and then you've got the white drenched in diamonds, one of my favorite sugars, for the body of the bunny. All the little pieces, you've got eyes, unicorn horns, and the bunny's mouth. Happy baby. There you go. Okay, so you want to open up your cookies, take everything out. First thing you want to do, you want to outline the inner part. So step 2 is to outline the inner part of the ears so that you can put the pink glittery sugar there. You also want to make sure that your bag, sometimes these bags may sit in store for a couple days, a couple weeks. So you want to make sure that you massage your icing bag. Okay, so now we're going to take the glittery sugar. We're going to open that up. Got a napkin? Okay. We are going to outline the rest of the bunny. Okay? So you're going to have to go around the ears. So now I'm going to take the glittery sugar and put it on the body of the unicorn, all around the ears, all around the body. Really easy to put on the pieces. If for some reason, let's say you're doing this in steps and maybe your royal icing is dried, go ahead and just stick a dab on the backs of the pieces and voila, they'll stick. And check us out at bakerybling.com. We are adding new designer decorating kits, cookie kits. Gotta let it dry a little bit. Mom didn't let it dry. Every month. Happy Easter from our house to yours. What do we call bakery bunnies? Bakery
bunnies.
Bakery
Bakery
Is
bunnies.
it bunny bakers or something like that?